Visa has integrated its global payment architecture into ChatGPT. The world's largest financial network is now operating natively inside a consumer AI assistant. The mechanics of digital commerce are defined by how human input connects to payment rails. In the Web 1.0 model, you manually typed a 16-digit credit card number into a static web form. The mobile shift reduced this friction through passive, proximity-based authorization. Apple Pay and Google Pay allow the hardware itself to authenticate the user during a tap. The chat-to-pay model replaces physical gestures with conversational prompts that trigger autonomous financial execution. The AI agent handles the discovery, runs the price comparison, and executes the purchase. Current data shows that 1 in 5 online consumer transactions is already heavily influenced by what users learn during a large language model chat session. LLMs are increasingly becoming the primary interface for discovery before a user reaches a merchant site. Traditional financial institutions recognize that if they did not build the plumbing for autonomous bots to spend money within these sessions, their payment networks would lose their place at the start of the consumer journey. OpenAI initially attempted to solve this payment gap by building its own native solution. Late last year, they launched Instant Checkout. To process these transactions internally, OpenAI charged merchants a 4% fee on every order. Adoption stalled as merchants resisted surrendering 4% of their margins, leading OpenAI to discontinue the feature in March. This Visa partnership represents a shift in strategy. Instead of acting as a standalone payment processor, OpenAI is offloading the entire authorization burden. By integrating with Visa, the LLM plugs directly into an existing, globally trusted financial backbone. The instant checkout experiment suggests that building new payment rails from scratch involves merchant friction that established networks have already spent decades solving. Let's trace how this integration separates the user experience from the background metadata. You input a prompt, "Find me noise-canceling headphones under $250. The AI queries partner merchants, evaluates the trade-offs between models, and compiles a complete draft order. The autonomous process pauses here. You must explicitly authorize the purchase in the chat, stating, "Yes, buy option A." Once you approve, the AI agent builds the transaction payload. Your actual 16-digit credit card number is excluded from the resulting data packet. In its place, the request utilizes a context-specific Visa payment token that your bank has pre-issued specifically for this AI interaction. Visa's risk engine analyzes the transaction in milliseconds, checking the metadata against global fraud patterns before routing it to the merchant. The conversational interface handles the shopping experience, while the cryptographic reality of authorization remains on the network layer. The technical framework bridging the LLM and the bank is the Trusted Agent Protocol, or TAP. When ChatGPT initiates a purchase, TAP injects cryptographically signed identities directly into the HTTP headers of the web request. This packet hits the merchant's gateway, triggering a back-end verification process. The merchant software pings the Visa directory, a global ledger of trusted keys. This check allows the merchant to mathematically distinguish a licensed ChatGPT agent from a malicious bot. If the key matches, the transaction proceeds. Identifying the bot does not solve the risk of AI hallucination. If ChatGPT misinterprets a prompt, it might attempt to execute a massively inflated order. This is where token-level rules act as the network's hardwired defense. Your bank restricts that specific session token. Even if the AI malfunctions, the token is bound by a maximum spending limit, such as $150, and an immediate single-use expiration. A second vulnerability exists if a compromised website attempts to alter the price or swap the product after the AI confirms the order. Visa prevents this through intent binding. TAP binds your explicit text instruction directly to the cryptographic transaction payload. Modifying any variable, like the price, breaks the signature and instantly triggers a payment failure. TAP removes trust from the equation. It mathematically prevents the AI from overspending or being manipulated by a merchant. Visa secured the largest consumer-facing integration with ChatGPT, but this is only one front in the competition for AI payment infrastructure. Other legacy networks are deploying specialized production-grade frameworks of their own. This matrix tracks the diverging architectural models as these networks divide the AI commerce market. Mastercard is focused on enterprise and mobility use cases. Their architecture relies on verifiable intent to create the strict audit trails required by financial regulators. Stripe provides a developer-centric model, utilizing shared payment tokens optimized for direct embedding into agent codebases. American Express utilizes its closed-loop network to prioritize consumer safety, introducing agent purchase protection to cover errors made by an AI. Agentic commerce is likely to remain a fragmented ecosystem, where networks compete on macro fraud detection, regulatory compliance, or developer friction. The infrastructure for autonomous AI spending is no longer theoretical. The protocols are built and the networks are live. The question is no longer whether an AI will spend your money, but which cryptographic network you will trust to govern its wallet. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind AI headlines. We will continue to track how these financial protocols evolve as AI agents move toward full autonomy.